Okay, I think
This is part 2, guys. Sorry about that.
That's a cute little candy.
Yeah.
What cute shimmery tail. I hope there's none more. Oh, here's some more. There's more. Oh,
That's fun.
here's a pink one, like the little one.
Ooh.
This one goes where the little one is. Gotta see if there's any more. I feel some. Oh my God.
That's nice.
Alright, this one is so cute. I got a few. I think I don't see anymore, so this one is all empty. And there's all of the Num Noms. So, I got a few. No Num Noms. So, alright. So now I gotta go for this one.
Okay, you gotta hurry up.
Why?
Well, because they're probably in there saying, take us out, take us out.
Oh, yeah. The might. That keeps on hurting me. Hurting me? Alright. I don't see anymore, I think.
Well,
Because,
you gotta go all the way on the bottom, remember?
oh
You
yeah?
gotta keep scooping and scooping.
Yeah. For the Num Noms so they don't be...
Yep.
Yeah. There's all of those Num Noms I found on that one. Oh, I see something. Like willow? Oh, there's red and willow. I haven't seen that one. Oh, I could go down there. Now for time hands. I feel it.
Ooh,
More snackies.
that's cute.
Trying to get this one out. Oh, let's see this one again. This white one.
Nice, that's so cute. Your fingers are so sparkly.
I know. Wait a second. Is this blue? It can't be. Wait. Oh, it can't be blue. It can't be blue. Oh!
You got a blue one?
Yeah, a blue one.
That's
Again.
cute.
This, I can't tell. It is That's a polar bear!
Aww.
I just put it upside down. And I could have turned. So, is there more?
Keep digging. There should be 8.
Yeah. People are kind of right. I'm trying to see. No way. Is this same? Wait, let me see. No! That's like a really cute toaster.
Oh, that's cute.
This one goes with this one because
Okay.
I think
you should have 4 more in there.
I think there's more. I gotta keep seeing. Oh, there's a green one.
All right, that's 5.
That looks like kind of a boardy. Wait a second. This is
Aww.
There's cuties. I think I got one more. I can't feel.
Smells good. Okay.
I think that's all. So I gotta wash my hands.
All right. What?
Well, that's my end of my video. I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel. And I gotta wash my hands, but we still have to.
Remember to leave a like.
Yeah, if you want some questions,
Oh, comment below.
comment below. So, bye guys.